So today I did a talk around creating the conditions for authentic assessment, in which we explored what authentic assessment actually was, and there were some different views on that. And then we had a look at 12 different factors that in a higher education environment can make a really big difference to how assessment is created and how it's supported for students.
I've come here to talk today about the lived experience of how you get authentic assessment into a curriculum and what some of the trials and tribulations but also triumphs of that have been. And we had a look at some examples of things like hackathons, agency visits, assessment centres as ways to build in authentic assessment. We also looked at if you're going to change the entire strategy for a degree, rip it up and start again, how you have to take some really solid steps in terms of things like stakeholder engagement and having a really clear vision for the future ahead.
Thank you.